Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making fresh basil pesto pasta. To begin, in a mortar, add in 6 cloves of garlic, followed by a quarter of a teaspoon of kosher salt. Then mash garlic and salt until it turns into a paste. Continue crushing your garlic just like so. Add in 5 ounces of basil leaves and do this in batches. Adding the basil flowers will create the most fragrant and best tasting pesto. Add as much basil as you can fit in and begin to mash until it starts to break down. Continue adding the basil until all the basil leaves have broken down. Once all the basil leaves have been pounded down, add in 3 tablespoons of raw pine nuts. That's right, raw pine nuts and not roasted. Technically, roasting or toasting the nuts will bring out more flavor, technically. However, I like my nuts raw. If you want to toast yours, go ahead and do so. Go ahead and pound those nuts until evenly incorporated. Then we're adding in 1.5 cups of grated Parmigiano-Reggiano. And for the best tasting pesto, ensure that you are using freshly grated Parmigiano-Reggiano. I know the Parmigiano-Reggiano is more expensive than regular Parmesan cheese, but trust me, it is totally worth it. Add in the cheese in increments just like we did with the basil leaves. Once the cheese has been incorporated, add in half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Incorporate the extra virgin olive oil in and the pesto is done. Now set a large pot over medium-high heat and bring to a rolling boil. Season the water with kosher salt and cook 10 ounces of your favorite pasta until al dente. Follow the cooking instructions on the package. Once the pasta is al dente, do not rinse the pasta. And while the pasta is cooking, reserve 1/4 of a cup of the pasta water. Transfer the pasta directly into a large bowl. Then add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the pesto sauce. And whatever you do, do not cook the pesto. Pesto is best to be eaten raw. If you were to cook the pesto, it will lose its fragrance and flavor. Add in the pasta water that we reserved. Go ahead and toss that in and make sure that every strand of pasta is coated in the pesto. All left to do now is to serve and enjoy. You may garnish with freshly grated Parmigiano-Reggiano. Yo, check this out. I think you are ready to eat. There you guys have it. Fresh basil pesto pasta. Enjoy. Buen provecho and thanks for watching. Bye.